Okay, so we will start by installing Python. For that, we will be searching Python on any of our downloaded or installed browser. So after searching Python, you will get this website. You have to click on this downloads. Now, after clicking on this download, you will find out this download Python 3.12.1 version. Now, there can be any other version at your time. So we'll be clicking on this. After clicking on this, the download will start right over here, and it has been downloaded for me. Now the second thing will be to download PyCharm. For that we have to search PyCharm. Now you have to come on this first website. You can directly come over to here, which is download PyCharm. Now after clicking on this, you will find two things. The first one will be PyCharm Professional, and the second thing will be PyCharm Community Edition. So here we will be downloading the Community Edition. For that, simply click on this download button. Now when you will be clicking this download button, the download will start right over here. Now we will be firstly installing Python. For that, just click on this. Now just wait for the installer to start. Now here you have to click on this install now. Now it will start on installing. Now it will take some time to install. It depends completely upon your system configurations. So while it is installing, we can also start installing our PyCharm. So I have already downloaded both of them, so it can save our time. So I will be clicking on this PyCharm, and we have to just wait for the installer to start. Now we have to click on this yes. Now after clicking on yes, our Python has been installed. We will just simply click on this close. Now in over here we have to click on this next. Now we'll be clicking next. Now you can also set up your destination folder where you want the installation file to be. I will recommend it to be the same as it is currently. Okay, so don't change it. Now click on next. Now simply you will find out you can create a desktop shortcut. For that we will be clicking on this. Now we will also add the bin folder to path, and the remaining thing I will just keep on unchecked. Now I will click on next. I will click on install. Now after some time the installation will be completed, so we have to wait for that. uh, okay, so this installation will take some time uh, upon completely upon your system configuration. So we can wait over here. Okay, so it is almost it has been almost installed. Now after it will finish, what we will do is basically you have to reboot your PC. Okay, so you have to reboot your laptop or computer, whichever you are having. Okay, so after restarting your computer, what you have to do, you have to come over here in the PyCharm Community Edition shortcut, which was created during installation. You have to simply right click on this and click on Run as Administrator. You have to do it for the first time only, then you have to click Yes. After clicking Yes, it will load out something like this, or you will get a window where it will give you like create a new project. So I will do it again. We have to click on this new project. Okay, now you have to name your project. We can say first. No, I can say like first project, and then we will simply create, and then I will say this window. Okay, now after doing this, it will take some time. Okay, so it is done. Now what we have to do, we will simply close this out. We have to right click on this. We have to go in new. We have to say file. Now you can have any file. I will say main, then dot, then py. So dot py is basically extension of the Python file, and then you will simply say enter. Okay, now after this we can write our first code, which is a simple hello world. For that, what we have to write, we have to write print, then we have to give circular brackets. Inside this we can have double inverted commas. Okay, now we can have hello followed by world. Now we can have another space. Now you can simply click Shift F10, or you can click on this arrow button which you are seeing. So click on this and you can find out this hello world. Okay, so let us see few more things over here. So you can come into this setting part. You can come over here, settings. Okay, so now over here you can come over this editor, you can come over this font, and you can set any font whichever you want. So I will be setting 18 over here, and then what I will be doing, I will be saying apply. Now there are multiple fonts which you can set up through here. Now there are multiple things to over here, like there are color scheme which you can set. So it is currently set to dark. I love Dracula, so I will do that. Okay, so now we have a much clearer UI, which is having much clearer view. So okay, we will be discussing more codes in our upcoming video. So still then, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, and stay connected for upcoming videos.